Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage your Samsung smart monitor's screen tint, green/red tint. So here, at first we need to scroll down here in this control panel to the settings and go to the All Settings tab. Now we have to go to the picture and scroll down to the expert settings. Now we have to scroll down to the tint green/red. Here I can move it more to the red, and my maximum value is 15, and as you can see the screen is more reddish. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it's noticeable difference in real life. Here if you move it to the more green, the screen is more greenish. If I move it fast, I think that it's recognizable on the camera. And that's how it works. Goodbye!